Hello, Steve Kasha here with a valuable teaching tip. As instructors, we invest many hours in writing, research, class preparation for the benefit of our students. And what's the payoff? The payoff is often when students remember what they were taught. And the icing on the cake happens when a student personally conveys their appreciation after they've been hired and landed a good job. When I serve my mechanical clients, there's a scenario that plays out time and time again. It might happen in North Carolina or Texas or Oklahoma or California, but it's the same scenario. What happens is an employee remembers me from when I taught at their trade school. And this happened when I was serving quality refrigeration in Torrance, California. Javier Palominos remembered me from when I taught at El Camino Community College. William Johnson, an instructor buddy of mine, invited me to share soft skill insight there. And Javier was in the class. So hearing those words of appreciation from Javier years later, that was the icing on the cake. And that's why we do what we do. So when you're involved in those many hours of class preparation, when you're staying late after class to help students to understand, remember the payoff. Not every student will come back to say thanks, but those that do make it all worthwhile.